understand, say when you are big, you are big. This same FBI where they talk about one-on-one, one for a day with them, one-on-one, October 19 in EFCC office. So, you know, people go talk nonsense. Okay, people where they accuse you wrongly. What of me will bring Osh from Malaysia and call? Waiting my eyes no see when they arrest him. The day when they arrest Osh, I got lot of calls. Babashe, you see, now you cause this thing. Now you make them carry this guy. Now you in the, you know, in the compete with, you know, different kind of, even that day, big bro, because of the pressure, like people just they tag, like tags, they come my page. I got to remove my picture because I don't want to make any. Do you know the people who call me that day? Now EFCC called me direct to post my pictures back because it will look as if maybe are they involved. You get my point. So I just many different kind of things. Now people go to hear. They will just come my page. You are next. FBI is coming for you. Now so FBI the war.
Baba, as they sleep, they wake up. One person send me say FBI is coming for you. I say you now Amotekun, they can't carry you. No be FBI.
They don't sabi anything. They don't even know. You know, like me, if I talk, many things were there. If I talk, people go fear. But you know, I guess just the okay, see my own level. Now just one people know they understand one thing. In each department, you go get person who just won't fuck you up. Which is the guy who arrest me. I don't do anything. You dey feel me, big bro. When they illegally, you know, say Nigeria no get law. You get my point. Now anything anybody with the office 100%. Go fit do. You get my point. You go also say, this guy a big boy, make I deal with him. Nigeria get that kind of level. You understand? At the end of the day, when they arrest me, you get my point. They don't get anything against me, but you know, say that Nigeria we did now. They go use something owe you, which is the BDC, whatever. You get my point. And these same idiots people, maybe if they get anybody, if they get any link for EFC, if he asks. Now October 18, they arrest me. October 19, 2 FBI can interview me. But the interview, I don't go talk who they can interview on top, as is many people supposed to know. So as this arrest happen, people will just they come, you are next. FBI is coming for you. That's why FBI they work. Everybody now where they show off is it too fraud. You know when my issue come where they lie say fraud. Anybody not happy? Oh, that's
they not happy.
It's not so fraud they work. Okay, I hear you.
Don't know me. I don't ever ask for 50 kobo before.
No.
You don't ever give. Let's forget. Say for even my birthday. Say okay, Daddy Freeze. Now your birthday. Make I even send you. Since you know me.
Nothing like that.
So you believe say I go hush? I don't want to. I go tell you some things for them.
People no go understand. You know, once you
collect brown envelope.
No, you don't collect the envelope.
Interview. Deal with it.
Yes.
So you know, guys, now the next person now Daddy Freeze. After Daddy Freeze, now Mofa.
I don't go lie you. When they arrest us that time, you are next. How many times I go hear you are next? How many times? Hey. This you know what they vex me? These idiots, people where they talk nonsense. As they don't ever meet me, I deal with FBI one-on-one. Daddy Freeze, I tell you, I tell you this stuff that time now. One-on-one. So what else now won't tell me again? You get my point. Any small thing now, anybody way okay. See for example, this matter where they talk say Osh they mention people. No be so. You don't mention anybody. Now what they see for your phone? You get my point. So people know they understand things. But what I go do now? We Osh done it don't leak. Okay, look like that interview where Atikemi they do. When they consign me, when the guy they mention my name there, you get you
for that
me.
interview.
When they consign me.
Oh boy.
The last time when I go Yankee in 2015, and I stopped today go because it's too far for me. You get my point. That's it. But people will go, you're supposed to understand this thing. They will go talk. Okay, the time when they arrest us, many people know cost you.
They cost me tire. They cost me. But when they cost me finish, they watch my video. Bro, if you understand how social media works, my Hush interview, the money where that interview generates for social media.
Of course, why no go? Why no go give you? Why you no go generate money?
Because their mind are cash me money. This one where you don't come my life, you know how much this one self go generate? Say you don't Mofa don't show for Daddy Freeze life. Iyabo Ojo show for Daddy Freeze life. This person show. You know how much those things they generate? No. You see, one day just pray.
Big bro, the thing where they vex me be say Nigerians, I don't know if why they say that they jobless. Not true, because they like bad story. You understand? And anything way bad, now they like. You get my point. Me, I know vex. So say anything way happen to us, people go link me with, because if I know bring you understand, all these things don't go come my side. But now normal level, you get my point. But the only thing we just fuck them up is say, listing, and it is stubborn. So this life, if something happens to somebody, you're supposed to use your brain, say, what will be the next thing? Make I cool down or make I not cool down. Say this life, people know they understand. We know they understand something. They don't carry your light there now. Wow.
They don't carry something. No.
Say for this life, no matter how big you are, you must face one trials. So the only prayer is be say make you overcome them.
Yes.
No trials where you no go ever face. You get my point. Okay, let's do example. I want to do one example. People think say me and Osh they fight. You fight for social media, they believe. But we talk. Okay, let's assume I no go Nigeria October. I want to just give you 1 point. Okay, let's say I no go to Nigeria October. Let's say that night when they arrest her, he call me, say, Baba, come my house now. I can't go in your house. Go chill there. They can't come that night. Come arrest me inside. What did you say go happen?
When they do the same work. Baba, make I tell you, that house where they arrest him, that the house where I interview him. Imagine saying at the day of the interview, they come bust.
Yes. They come bust.
Imagine saying they do the interview, they come bust.
I did tell you.
Of them to sit down and calculate. Okay, now, if I not do that Hush Puppy interview, because nobody else has ever been granted access into in life.
No. Hush, they give people that kind. Now because you big now. Why?
Say I open door to a possibility. Person they even all the
people, you're not supposed to even vet. Okay, I give you one example. For internet, everybody believes say we don't fight since 2017. They arrest person 2020. They're supposed to link me with them. What they say? Me, you are next. You are blah blah. You are the FBI is coming for you. They go tag FBI. I don't say why people are so stupid like this. For my page, some people they tag FBI. Say I just laugh.
For my page too.
Unati say if I know if my aunt they one kind, Unati say they will leave me. You get my point.
I get you.
They know they understand something. Nigeria where we come from, no law. So they go. No matter how you big, they go fuck you up, they go shake you. So it just depends on how you go escape them. That be the thing. So you're not supposed to be bothered with waiting people they talk, say you are next, you are this, you are that, you are that.
Bro, I'm not bothered. My pain is why do people hate so much? Why do you want to see the next person?
Because once you get money for Nigeria, they will hate you. That is the thing.
They go hate
once you get.
Okay, make us cuckoo poor so that hunger go they beat all of us together so we go feel love ourselves. Make all of us give away everything we get. Make we work for this world.
Don't be my own fault to come from a rich home. I never hustle. You get my point. So I know, say nobody will know this social media. Even the richest man, it is social media now. Now social media time. So everybody just need that social media just for fun. But Nigerians, far like if you do this thing, they go talk. Okay, see now, when my issue happen, I got to lay low. The lay low, not beside they fear anybody. But I don't want that post where say I go post something, they go say you are showing up.
They fear FBI. Fear FBI that what?
Now for waiting.
That's what?
They just talk, they just like to be talk nonsense. That's the truth with that. They just
Papa,
like
matter after the interview. I don't do interview from Bloomberg, USA. I don't do interview for Telegraph, UK. I don't do interview for BBC 4. My DM, they reach me through DM that if I'd like to interview you, blah, 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 blah. No problem.
Somebody say, why are you people tagging? They don't have brain, oh, bro. They don't have brain.
FBI
That's
is coming
for one thing about
FBI is coming for you.
Like you tag FBI from head to toe, they no go answer on that. They don't look now say now from poor useless country.
Oh, my dear brother, God bless you. Thank you so much for joining my life.
Other countries they do this kind of nonsense. No, you can't see other African countries doing. Only Nigeria.
They don't forget say me I be EU. Anything. You see that they respect. You get who they respect. If Nigeria they just carry you just to garage you.
Okay, me and you now. How many years we they talk? We don't meet before. We don't meet before. How many times I come my house for banana? Say, go make I will see you. You don't get time to come. So
how times we suppose don't meet where we no get time?
Yes.
Where we no get time. Remember that guy Matter?
That guy Matter now.
Yes.
That's true, Sam. We're supposed to meet because of that guy Matter. Yes.
Yes, now.
I remember. So, big bros, I don't understand Nigerian mentality. I just do it. I just cool down my thing. Because now then go they hail you. Hey! Baba, when you get small problem.
They call you God. Unto who go beg this night, make it see $100. They don't begin to call, Mofa is my God. They don't type up. Baba, who did this to us?
We get problem for Nigeria. I swear to God.
Our problem long.
You know, since when Osh Matter happened, since that time I say social media is just nonsense. Because they only pray for your downfall. Get my point. So as I go say, not Osh stubbornness and listing, I will put out for problem with that. So nothing else.
My brother, thank you so much.
Yeah. Oh,
I want to go join my self. They do her own show, her own live now. Now I suppose don't deal with things. About supportive spouse. Many people don't realize that anybody that is successful is because they have either they are in a relationship with someone who is helping them, or they are married to someone who is helping them. Instead of make you day they hate, coagulate with people who can help your thought process. Ask questions, learn. Success is a product of association. But they don't hear the word. Mofa, God bless you, bro.
God,
bro. Thank you so much for coming through.
No, people, just face your job.